Okay, so we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. Here I'm just showing you I have some rubber base coat. It's by Warm Pretty. I just applied this. I wanted to see how it worked for longevity for me, and I just buffed it up along with my prep work that I did off camera. So I'm using the Btartbox tip primer, which I really like a lot. It's available on Amazon and on their site. So we're going to take the gel glue, and we're using everything from their starter kit, and we are just going to get to applying these tips right here. If you want a more in-depth look at the different colors and stuff, my last video upload was unboxing the Bear series. I show you the whole kit. We talk more about everything there, so if you want to go check that out, you can. Here we're just flash curing with this little lamp that comes in the starter kit. I'm just doing a really quick flash cure, and I do use a big light when I am done applying the whole hand. So pretty much we just do the same thing over and over again, and it's so fast. This literally took no time at all for me to get these nails on, which is nice because I really don't have so much time to spare. So if you're busy, you just don't want to spend so much time doing your nails, these are a great option for you. In this video, I'm leaving them bare, hence the name Bear series, but the base colors in this collection are just absolutely beautiful starters for any nail design because they're just neutral types, so you can totally do so much different stuff. I already have an idea for the beige set. It's a nail set I've been looking at. I saved it on Pinterest, and it's just perfect for these nails. So you totally save so much time not having to paint down base colors, and they're just beautiful, curated for every skin tone. You could totally get away with wearing all of the 5 sheets of nails that come in here. I'm definitely going to be wearing all of these. I feel like I don't want to stop wearing them, to be honest. And I have to say, I'll put a little video at the very end. The nails that were left on my sheet, I did apply them as toe tips, and they came out so cute. I'm so thrilled, and I was actually shocked the sizes fit my toes. I used the biggest one as the big toe, and all the rest it just worked perfectly, and I now have a matching mani and pedi, so I'm really pleased with myself with that one. So I'm just going to continue applying these tips. I really like this gel glue a lot. It cures really, really solid. These nails feel like they're not going anywhere. I don't think the formula is different at all from the old packaging and stuff, but don't quote me on that. And I'm definitely going to be using this nail lamp all the time. I really liked it for flash curing. It works really well. Feels pretty powerful. It's definitely going to replace my Love Beetles one. So I'm just putting a bead of gel on my thumb because I don't know if they're kind of a little curved or what, but I usually have a gap that I have to fill when I'm done. So I just wanted to try this little method out, and it definitely helped. I just have to kind of tweak how much gel to use. I could still have used a little bit more, but whatever, it's definitely better than the gap that I usually have. So yeah, I am only doing the one hand on camera, as you can see. So this is after the full cure, and now we're just moving on to applying the builder gel. And it's pretty much the same thing. I'm just applying a coat of builder gel on every nail, and then I flash cure quickly so the gel doesn't move or anything, and I can complete the hand without having anything seep into my cuticles, and then I do a full cure again. So I love this builder gel. I always have since I've been using Btartbox. Some builder gels are really thick and hard to move around. This one's nice and slidey. I don't know, it's just super easy to use, definitely beginner friendly. And I'm just using a little micro Q-tip thing to clean up any spillage I might have gotten. But yeah, just a flash cure, and then we move on to the rest of the fingers. Same thing, and it's going to be the same thing with the top coat. Just super simple. I wanted to let these nails kind of speak for themselves in this video, be the showcase. I didn't want to add any charms or anything, just because this pink is so pretty, and I don't know, I just thought they needed a moment to shine for themselves. I believe this color is called Bliss from the series. So yeah, let me know down below if you're going to purchase this kit, if you're going to purchase just the nails. They're really good price. You get 160 nails on the site, I believe, for $15. And they're also available on Amazon if you would rather use Amazon. That way you can get like Prime shipping or whatever. But yeah, they're available everywhere. I'm going to have everything linked down below for you guys. I definitely recommend the kit though, the starter kit. I don't know, I just really like this little lamp. It's just really, really cute and it works really good. So if you're in need of all the necessities, I definitely recommend checking that out. And if you're still here watching this, I used to do this in my videos. Why don't you comment me down below a bow emoji so I know that you were here and that you're a real one. And let me know what you would like to see in future videos. If you have any like ideas, tips, I want to start working on some like different filming angles. But yeah, we'll get there. So now we're moving on to the top coat, which is my favorite top coat. And I'm not just saying this. You guys, I love Btartbox so much. They're so high quality. Packaging is so cute. Everything works so well. The nails are so strong. Strongest nails, especially pre-colored nails, but just nails in general. They just are my absolute favorite. Medium almond shape is my go-to, but I love literally everything. And I really want to try their glitter base French tips. And I'm really hoping that they relaunch just long French coffins. Because I was checking their site. I check their site all the time. I'm like a crazy person. There's no long coffins on there anymore. There's mediums. They're short. But just the basic long coffin. I want to try that. I never tried it when they were available. Yeah. So we are just flash curing. Then we're going to do the full cure. Guys, make sure that you are using a full-size nail lamp. I just definitely recommend doing that. This lamp is great, but I think that you should always cure in a full-size lamp. They do have one on Btartbox's site if you are in the market for a lamp. I definitely want that one at some time. It looks really cute. So yeah, we are almost done. This literally took me no time at all, and I hope that you guys enjoyed me applying these nails. I am not a professional, but you know, this kind of makes you feel like you are because it's just so easy and so fast. So let me know down below if you're going to try out anything from the series, what shape, what you think of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here is our finished product. I think they are so beautiful, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.